Hey guys, so we are continuing learning how to count money and count coins specifically that are not all the same. So today we're going to be counting dimes and nickels. And again, we're going to be using that 120s chart that we've been using this week. So go ahead and grab that if you want to follow along, or you can just watch what I do on our screen. So with dimes and nickels, we know that a dime, which is this guy right here, is worth 10 cents. We know that the nickel is worth 5 cents. And as always, when we are counting coins, we always want to start with the coins with the greater value. So I know that the dime has the greater value because 10 cents is greater than 5 cents. Oh, about to sneeze. Hold on. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So first we're going to count some dimes and then we're going to count some nickels. So here's a set of coins. Now I can tell that these are dimes because they are the smaller coin, like size-wise. And I see a little torch and little branches here. I know that's a dime. And then I know this is a little bit bigger, so that's our nickel. So now we're going to start counting our set of coins. So starting with the dimes, we're going to place these 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes on our hundreds chart. And you notice how they blocked out these numbers with yellow to show that this is worth 10, so I don't have to count these. I already know this is 10. So 10, 20, 30, and 40, because we can count dimes by tens. Now let's add that nickel. When we add that, friend, it doesn't fill in the whole row because it's not worth 10, it's only worth 5, so it filled it in all the way to 5. So now our total value of this collection of coins, which is where the last coin landed, is 45 cents because we have 10, 20, 30, 40, and 45. Now let's count this set of coins. So I see 1, 2, 3 dimes, and I see 1, 2, 3 nickels. So I'm going to place our dimes since that's our greater value coin. So there's our dimes, 10, 20, and 30. So I have 30 cents so far. Now I'm going to add my nickels. Each one is worth 5 cents. So 5 squares, place a nickel. 5 more squares, place a nickel. And 5 more squares, place that nickel. And now the total value is 55 cents. And we can double check that by doing this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55. Now it's kind of tricky when you jump from one version of skip counting to the next, but it just takes some practice, so we'll get there. Let's do this guy. So I see that I have 6 dimes to place, so we'll go ahead and place them here. So far we have a value of 60 cents because it went right down the column into 60. Now let's add our 2 nickels. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 65 and 70. So the total value of these coins is 70 cents. All right. Now we're going to do 2 more, but I want you guys to figure out the value of these sets. So let's look at this one. We see 1, 2, 3 dimes, and we see 1, 2 nickels. So 3 dimes and 2 nickels. How much is that worth? Here it is, 40 cents. So we have 10, 20, 30, 35, and 40. So this is 40 cents. Let's do one more. Find the value of these coins. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes and 3 nickels. What is the value of these coins? Let's see. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55 cents is the total value of this group of coins. So friends, keep practicing this at home. It is really tricky, but as you keep practicing, I promise it's going to get easier. And then we're going to start counting with all the coins together. Right now, we're just kind of building ourselves up to get to that. But this is a little bit easier because we know tens and fives really well.